In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix overheating on your ROG Xbox Ally X. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, the first and most common factor for overheating is just having way too many things open in the background. So what you can do is hold down your Xbox button. Now you might see that you might have a lot of different things open in the background without you even realizing, because sometimes when you switch application, it doesn't automatically close any other applications you have. So what you can do is anything that you're not using, like let's say if you have multiple games open, like let's say you have one game from Epic Game Store, another game from Steam, and another game from the Xbox Game Pass open, you don't need all of those games open at the same time, and that can definitely cause overheating. So just close anything that you're not using the X button. Another thing that you can also do is go to your profile at the very top. Then from here, go down to settings. Now, once you're in settings, go to install options and make sure enable downloads and updates during gameplay is not checked. If you have this checked and you're playing a game and then you're also on top of that downloading updates or anything like that, or downloading games in the background, that's using a lot of your console's power, which can also cause overheating as well. Another thing I'd mention is make sure you're not playing with your console laid down on a carpet, because that's definitely going to increase the amount of heat that the console is generating as well, which is obviously not something that you want happening. The final thing I'd recommend is going over to your command center, and if your operating mode is on turbo when it's overheating, you can change it down to performance or silent as well, which is like the best method to save energy and cool down your device as well. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also be sure to check out our other ROG Xbox Ally X videos on this channel.